Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will be very briefly discussing with you differences in the cell wall of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Students, on the basis of staining technique, bacteria are classified mainly into two categories: gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. Gram-positive bacteria are those bacteria which appear crystal violet in color under the microscope. On the other hand, gram-negative bacteria are those bacteria which appear pinkish in color under the microscope. Student, this is because of the retaining ability of the dye in gram-positive because of thick peptidoglycan layer. On the other hand, the pinkish appearance is because the acid alcohol washes the dye and there is pinkish appearance of gram-negative bacteria. We will discuss gram staining technique in detail in our next video lecture. Students, now the differences in the cell wall of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. There are three main differences. Number one, presence of peptidoglycans. Students, gram-positive bacteria have increased concentration and multiple layers of peptidoglycans. On the other hand, they are very thin layers and decreased concentration in gram-negative bacteria. The second difference is teichoic acids. Students, teichoic acids, they extend from the outermost membrane of the bacteria and they are present in gram-positive bacteria only. They are absent in gram-negative bacteria. Students, teichoic acids are responsible for clinical presentation of shock-like symptoms because of gram-positive bacterial infections. On the other hand, the third main difference is presence of lipopolysaccharides. Students, lipopolysaccharides, they are present in gram-negative bacteria only. And in gram-negative bacteria, lipopolysaccharide is endotoxin. It is because of the presence of lipopolysaccharides and endotoxins that the clinical picture in gram-negative bacterial infection shows fever and hypotension, that is decreased blood pressure, collectively called as septic shock. So this was very brief about differences in the cell wall of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.